The checkbox feature in Google Sheets is a helpful and handy tool. Here's how you can add it to your files. Open the spreadsheet file that you want to edit. Next, select the range of cells that you want to put checkboxes in, and from the menu at the top, click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, click on the checkbox option. Quick and easy, right? You may repeat these steps if you want to add a checkbox to other cells. Take note that if a cell already contains data or text, it'll be removed once you insert a checkbox in it. Now, if you're using an Android phone, good news, because you can also use this feature. On the Google Spreadsheet app, open your file, then select the cells you want, and from the top, click on the three dots to open the menu. From there, tap on Data Validation, and under Criteria, select Checkbox. Now tap Save. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to click like and subscribe to watch other useful guides about all sorts of technology. Also, check out our other videos that we think you might like.